Celebrating is something that everyone does, and in the midst of the celebration, the partaking of alcohol is usually involved. However, did you know that alcohol is a depressant that contains ethanol, which is an intoxicating ingredient that is found in beer, wine, and liquor? Knowing this information may cause you to wonder how this affects your body. Well, when a person drinks alcohol, the alcohol is absorbed by the stomach, it enters the bloodstream, and it goes to all the tissues. The effects of alcohol depend on a variety of factors, including a person's size, weight, age, gender, as well as the amount of food and alcohol the person has consumed. Other effects include dizziness and increased sociability with moderate intake, slurred speech, disturbed speech, nausea, and vomiting with larger amounts consumed. Even at low doses, alcohol significantly impairs the judgment and coordination required to drive a car safely. It can also increase the incidence of a variety of aggressive acts, including domestic violence and child abuse. Prolonged heavy use of alcohol can lead to addiction, which is also known as alcoholism. The long-term effects of consuming large quantities of alcohol, especially when combined with poor nutrition, can lead to permanent damage to vital organs such as the brain, the liver, the pancreas, and the heart. Drinking too much alcohol can also weaken the immune system and can increase the incidence of developing cancers. So the next time you decide to drink alcohol, remember, your body is your temple and it's the only one you've got. For more information on the effects of alcohol, go to www.healthline.com or www.drinksmarter.org. My name is Danisha Mingo with Carvelocity, and I support alcohol awareness.